Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lookup value cell and the table location on the other sheet. Once done, select the cell where you want the result and type equals Vlookup. Make sure to point the lookup value to the cell with your key, then switch to the other sheet and select the full table array. Use absolute references with $ on that array so it won't shift when copied. This gets the formula anchored across sheets and ready for the next steps. Now you finish the Vlookup by specifying the column index number and whether you want an exact match. If you need precise matches, type false or 0. If you want approximate matches for sorted data, use true or 1. Once entered, press enter and verify results for a few rows. If performance or left column issues arise, replace Vlookup with index/match for flexibility. Also, wrap the formula with ifrr to display a friendly message instead of errors. Finish by copying the anchored Vlookup down the column and spot-checking values across sheets. If you see hash and /a, make sure formats match. Numbers saved as text or extra spaces often cause failures. Use trim or value to normalize data. Once checked, confirm the call index still points to the intended column when you copy. If lookup needs to use a column left of the key or you want faster recalculation, switch to index/match. A quick ifrr wrapper keeps the sheet presentable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.